Hi, welcome to National Plastics and Seals. I'm Scott Mattis, the president. We run our business based on 4 core values: family, accountability, service, and trust. We welcome you into our little world of plastics, and we appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jeff Toth, the Vice President of Sales and Marketing. Our team is focused on helping you win in your business, and we're constantly looking for new ways to bring value and improvement to your operation. Thank you, and join me on this tour. Meet Chris Oaf, our operations manager. Chris and his team apply lean manufacturing to everything they do.
Welcome to National Plastics. I'm Chris Oaf, the Operations Manager, responsible for overseeing our design, estimating, and manufacturing capabilities to help our customers succeed. Every day we work to improve the products that we make so our customers can win in the marketplace. My team is challenged with a theme we call BBT, Be Better Today.
Thank you for spending these few minutes of your day with us. We welcome you to come and visit us anytime. Let us help you succeed. Bring us your next plastics job. Thank you.